going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Kicks. Today we're going to be doing unboxing and try on of the Supreme leather applique zip up hoodie. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this, man. I'm very excited for this. This was one of the drops that I definitely was looking forward to, and we got it, and it's surprising. So the black colorway was sitting for about, I'd say, like pretty much all day, and it slowly sold out over time throughout the day, so it did end up selling out. I'm shocked that the red one sold out quicker, way quicker than the black. In my opinion, the black one looks 10 times better because the leather just looks better on the black. It kind of looked a little off on the red. Plus, I wanted like an all black low-key look. Plus, when you see this in hand, because I saw some in-hand pictures of it, it has some nice gray hints on it, which makes it look just fantastic. So this is actually one of my favorite colorways. I like this one more than the red, but let me know, do you guys like the red one more? Let me know in the comment section down below. But anyways, we get 2 Supreme stickers. This is cool. I'll take 2. So we got 2 standard Supreme stickers here, and we have it here. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel because I will be also doing an unboxing of the SpongeBob collab. Part of my order shipped, but since there's so many orders, I guess it was like over exceeded orders for Supreme. Like part of my order got delayed, so once the second part comes in, I'll do a full unboxing of the SpongeBob stuff. So stay tuned to the channel for that because it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But here it is, guys. As you guys can see here, man, look at that. You guys seen it before I am? Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. It's very low-key. Like, it's low-key but not low-key. Like, you can see it, you know what I'm saying, but you're gonna have to look in order to see it, especially for a zip up. So I think that's what makes a zip up even better. But enough talking, man. Let's open it up. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Make sure you guys follow my main channel, Jack's Gaming, as well. And here it is, guys. So here it is. Yep, this is fire. This is fire off rip. Yeah, this one's way better than the red. I'm sorry, it is. But if you guys got the red one definitely still looks good in my opinion as well. But I wanted the all black look. This is crazy. Nah, look at this. Are you kidding me? Look at that. The all black look, perfect. And yeah, it just matches so perfectly, man. Oh my God. So here we have it. Here's the hood as well. Has leather all on the hood. And the leather, I will, I'm always honest with everything that I say. The leather feels good. Is it premium? It feels kind of premium. It's a softer leather. I will say that. It's a pretty pricey hoodie too. I'm not gonna lie. I like that the hoodie feels heavyweight and thick though. That's what I was hoping for. Like if it's gonna have that premium price, it needs to have a premium feel. So it feels heavy and also thick. So that's really good. The leather on it is very soft, very, very soft. So I was just thinking about like my Supreme varsity jacket type leather. So yeah, the leather on the Supreme varsity jacket is more rough. So this is a lot softer, surprisingly. And same with it on the back. You can kind of smell the leather actually. Like you can smell it. It's kind of strong. Yeah, you can definitely smell the leather. Pretty good quality on the leather actually. It's actually pretty good. I'm actually shocked. Wow. Now, the thing is that I'm not the biggest fan of is that it kind of is like off. I think that's part of the design where it like has a flap on the edge of the leather, which is cool. Hopefully that doesn't hurt the hoodie over time. But just want to keep that in mind for you guys. So here's the back of it. Well, and here's the front. We got our zipper here. Really nice zipper. Feels pretty good. And the inside is just, oh, you can see the leather from the inside too. That's really cool. Really cool detail there. Got the Supreme over there. This is an extra large as well. And got the strings if you guys want to see what the strings look like. So yeah, overall, pretty good stuff. I like it. We're gonna go ahead and test it out, check it out on body real quick. But yeah, I'm actually a fan of this. I definitely wanted a zip up, and this is the zip up that I wanted, and I'm not mad. This is actually very fire. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on body real quick and check it out. All right guys, so here it is. wearing it with my beanie real quick just so you guys can get a quick look at what it looks like. And these are the gray hints that I was talking about, as you guys can see here. Look at that on body, has the nice gray hits on it. And I like how the black kind of has like a washed look on it as well, which definitely, you know, makes the design pop as well. So I like the all black. It's very clean. Obviously got the leather as well. And yeah, it's super. Yeah, this is it. I'm actually 100% happy with it. This is completely Jack approved because this thing is fire. This is fire, and this looks very clean. Like for a zip up, man, this is like one of the cleanest zip ups you can get, man. The all black look is crazy. Like the red is cool, but if you kind of want that low key, but like it's like, oh yeah, like type look, this is it right here, man. This is fire. That low key look, all black, bam. Really cool stuff. If you guys want to know all the materials and the price for this jacket, all that stuff is in the description down below, so make sure you guys check that out. Here it is dipped up as well. Look at that. Oh my, yeah, this thing's it. This, you guys know me, I'm a jackets guy. I love jackets. I love, you know, hoodies. This is officially probably my favorite hoodie or slash zip up hoodie for sure. This is it. This is fire. Here is what it looks like with the hood on as well. Got the hood on. Has the design on it. Yeah, I think this, yeah, this thing's fire, man. Here's what it looks like with the hood on, but zipped up as well, if you guys are wondering. Take a look at that. So overall, really cool. Jack approved. If you guys were on the fence about it, it's definitely a cop. Definitely go ahead and pick it up now. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Yo, this thing is fire. Like seeing this thing in hand, like I'm actually super confused as to why this thing did not sell out as fast as it did. Now obviously it's completely sold out now, like it's gone, but I'm actually super shocked that it took so long for this to sell out. But hey, I guess this is good for me because I was able to cop what I wanted, so I can't complain about that. But actually the resale price for these aren't too bad. I think you can get it for about 300, so that's not too bad, close to retail. But buy now. Definitely, I'm marking my words, by next season, this thing, I can see this jacket going up into like this 500-600s for real. Like I don't know what it is. Maybe people need to see an on-body video like this, so that's why I do them. So if you guys are on the fence, I think this is it. I mean, like, look how low key it is. Like, you're not gonna know that it's Supreme unless you're looking at it or unless you know what it is. And though there's pieces that like I want you to know what it is, like my Supreme varsity jackets, yeah, you know it's a Supreme varsity jacket, but something like this, you know, you just, you know, casual, you know, you're just out casually, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, you want to wear something that's kind of low key. This is perfect. Like, it's low key, but it says a lot. You know, there's a huge design on the back, huge design on the front, huge design on the hood. Very premium as well, very premium feel. Feels nice and good, and it's hot today, and you know, it still feels warm, but I feel like I still have some, you know, some air, which is pretty good for a zip up as well. So really nice stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more. I got you guys covered with more unboxings. I got the Supreme SpongeBob unboxing very, very soon as well. But yeah, definitely cop. And it makes me kind of want the red one, but at the same time, it's like, I don't think I would wear it that much. This one I'm gonna wear like crazy. Like, don't be shocked if you guys see me wearing this thing all the time. This thing is that fire, man. But yo, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on next time. Signing out. Peace.